Moving on to beverage management. What are the types of alcoholic beverages? Number one, we have beer. Beers are one of the oldest and most widely consumed alcoholic beverages, made from fermented grains, primarily barley, water, hops, and yeast. Their types include lagers, ales, stouts, and IPAs. Each type has unique flavor profiles influenced by ingredients and brewing methods. They are typically served in pints, in bottles, or cans, and can be enjoyed on draft. We also have wine. Wines are made from fermented grapes or other fruits. The fermentation process involves converting sugars into alcohol using yeast. What are the types of wines? We have red, we have white, we have rosé, sparkling, and dessert wines, each with distinct flavors and characteristics based on grape variety, the region, and production methods. Now, how do you serve them? They are served in specific glasses to enhance flavor profiles. For example, red wine glasses, white wine glasses. They are often accompanied by food pairings. Next, we have spirits. Spirits are distilled alcoholic beverages with a higher alcohol content, usually around 20% to 50% alcohol by volume. Common spirits include vodka, gin, rum, tequila, whiskey, and brandy. Spirits form the base for many cocktails and can be enjoyed neat or on the rocks or in mixed drinks. How do you serve them? Typically, they are served in shot glasses or specific glassware depending on the drink. For example, highball glasses for mixed drinks. Now, the legal considerations and responsible service. They are also a very important thing to consider. Number one, legal age. Familiarize staff with the legal drinking age, which varies by country and region. Ensure proper identification checks to prevent underage drinking. You need to understand local laws regarding liquor licenses. Different types of licenses may be required for serving, selling, or distributing alcoholic beverages. Moving on to serving practices. Train staff to recognize signs of intoxication and implement policies for refusing service to intoxicated patrons. Encourage moderation and provide information on standard drink sizes to help guests make informed choices. Be aware of potential legal liabilities associated with serving alcohol, including overseeing and resulting accidents. Maintain comprehensive insurance to protect the establishment. Also encourage the use of designated drivers, ride-share services, or public transportation for guests consuming alcohol